Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 4 English literature teacher, and today we are going to do a recap of the chapter The Golden Chariot, that is on page number 59. So first of all, take out page number 59, chapter 8, The Golden Chariot of the Sun. Now this is the story of Phaeton, a boy who is living with his mother, and he has never seen his father. His name is Phaeton and lives in a small house not far from Athens. And one day when Phaeton grew up, he asked his mother about his father. So he was very unhappy that he has no father. So Phaeton's mother knew now that the time has come to tell about his father. And she said that I'll tell everything about your father, but you shouldn't tell anyone else because it's a secret. So Phaeton promised. And then the mother said that the father is not dead, and he loves you very much, but he cannot stay with us because of his work, and he has to do his work every day. And your father is Apollo, the sun god. So Phaeton was so surprised that he began to feel happy and proud that his father is sun god and his name is Apollo. Now turn your page number 60, and so he was very proud because his father nearly every day is high in the sky above our house. So our mother said yes. Every morning it's the father that drives the sun chariot out of the mountains in the east, takes it above the clouds and above to the heaven where the gods and goddesses live. Then he drives back to the sea in the west, and every night he returns to his palace and takes rest, and again in the morning, next morning, he goes to his work. That's why the father is not living with us. So now the boy promised his mother is not going to tell anyone, but he was thinking about his father, and he was thinking that how will it look if he also drives the sun chariot, and how exciting will it be. Now we come to the next chapter of this second portion of this chapter. Phaeton visits Apollo. Now Phaeton was not unhappy. Now he knew that his father is alive and is so much proud of his father. And for many days he thought in his head that his father is Apollo, the sun god. And his friends were also happy to see him. And they didn't know that why was Phaeton so happy. Come to page number 61, and they asked him so many questions, but Phaeton kept his promise. He said nothing to his friends except one of his best friends. Now when he told one of his best friends, then this news spread among all the friends, and then he told everyone. The best friend told other friends, and now this news spread among all the friends. And everyone was laughing on him that how could be Phaeton's father the son of Apollo, and that was too foolish to be true. Now Phaeton became very angry. He now believed his mother, that his mother is telling the truth, but now he wanted to meet his father. And now he just got this idea that he should drive the sun chariot by himself. So now he said that I must go and see my father. Apollo said to his mother, please tell me which way to go. So the mother said that your father's palace is on the far side of the country, which is a long way to the east of the country, and the name of the country is India, where his father is living. And if you go further to the east, in the end you will come to the sun god's palace. So now Apollo, it was a long journey. For Phaeton decided to go and see his father. It took him months to go. Sometimes he walked, sometimes he went on a ship, sometimes some people gave him a ride of a donkey or a horse, but still he didn't give up. He kept on going. One day the long journey finished, and he came to the bottom of the tall mountain, and he saw the mountains. He could not walk any far, and it came to the end of the world. At top of one of the mountains He could see a large beautiful palace. The walls and the buildings inside were all shining the bright gold. You can see the palace looked like this. Everything was shining. The walls, the gate, everything was shining. Now when Phaeton reached there, he knew that Apollo will be here. So the servants told him that Apollo, the sun god, doesn't come in the day, he returns at night. So he waited for his father, and after his father returned from his job, he was very happy. Apollo was very happy to see his son Phaeton, and he wanted to give his son something. The Phaeton thought for a while, and then he said, I don't want anything, I want to do something if you give me. Okay, so the father Apollo asked, what do you want to do? He said, I want to drive the sun chariot. Apollo, his father, was very much worried. He said, you can't drive the sun chariot, it is very heavy and large. So, and once it starts moving, doesn't stop. And the horses are also very strongest horses, and they will never obey them. If you drive the sun chariot, you will not be able to drive well, and it's dangerous for everyone. But Phaeton was very much stubborn. He wanted to just fulfill whatever he is wanting, and Apollo had promised him anything like that. So you go through these pages. We have already read in the offline classes also. I've just done a recap till here. So you go through pages 59, 60, 61, 62 and 63. It's already done before. And then we'll proceed further in our next class. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.